Most men don't fail because they lack skill or drive. They fail because they never become the man their life actually requires. Your brand hasn't caught up to your level quite yet, and the only way to fix it is through real brand architecture. So if you know that you have outgrown your current identity and you can feel that, but your brand hasn't really caught up to you yet, I'm telling you, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to close the gap between who you are and how the market sees you without second guessing endless rebrands or wasting money on the wrong people. And I know this works because I've lived both sides of this. I've worked behind the scenes on the marketing team for brands like Hydro Flask. I've architected over 100 founder-led brands and built a 6-figure marketing agency. I've also worked with 8-figure entrepreneurs, helping them align their identity with how they show up each and every day. I've been grateful to train in Vipassana meditation and live with Buddhist monks in Thailand. I've also studied visualization techniques under Joe Dispenza. But before I started stepping into the man that I was meant to be, I was really lost and second guessing my path. I hit rock bottom, got arrested, spent a summer in jail, and had to rebuild everything. And that's where I realized your life can only grow to the level that your identity is capable of holding space for. So since then, I've rebuilt my entire life by design. I've traveled the world, I've generated millions of views, and I get to work with other visionary founders to help them close the gap between who they are and how they're seen and who they want to be. Because here's the truth. Most people think they have a branding problem or a strategy problem, but it's actually something different. What they have is they have separation between who they actually are and how they show up. And until they close that gap, nothing works. So your content's gonna continue to feel off and your message will not really land, and your brand is still gonna stay feeling generic, like it's a copy of somebody else. You may get a lot of likes, but you're not gonna land dream clients. It's not because you're not good or not talented. It's because your identity and your brand aren't in sync. That's why I don't just teach personal branding. I install brand architecture. Personal branding is posting content online. Brand architecture is building a full brand system that's grounded in your personal identity and next level vision. Now, personal branding is where most people start, but brand architecture is what actually scales you and your business. It's the difference between guessing what to say and having a system where everything you build reflects your level and amplifies the level you'd like to get to. So inside this program, we solve it in 2 parts. First, we focus on identity, then we focus on brand installation. So it doesn't mean that your brand is only going to look better on the surface. It actually works for you. So what does this look like when everything starts to click? First, if you're really early in your journey, you'll stop feeling scattered. You'll stop second guessing every move, and you're gonna finally feel clear on who you are and where you're going. You wake up each day with more sense of purpose. You move with a lot more certainty, and you start operating like the man you always knew that you were capable of becoming. Your life, it actually feels lighter because you're not carrying so much and you're not really forcing anything anymore like you used to. You're building from your authentic self and you're locked in and aligned. And when that happens, everything starts compounding. It's like a snowball effect. Momentum is gonna build. Your dream clients will start to come to you and your freedom in your life is going to expand. Now, if you're already at a high level, but your brand hasn't quite caught up, when you go through this program, everything shifts. You're gonna stop over-explaining and trying to sound credible. And you're gonna stop attracting the wrong people based off a brand that doesn't really represent you. Your brand's gonna actually start doing more heavy lifting. Your positioning becomes extremely dialed in and clear. Your brand voice and your messaging, it's magnetic. And your authority, it's felt immediately. You attract ideal, better clients. And you stop trying to do everything yourself and trying to gatekeep. You finally have the clarity as a leader to delegate, scale, and build something that supports your life by design. And I'm telling you, that's the real shift. This isn't just about making more money or scaling to your next 20K milestone. It's actually about building a life where your identity, your work, and your brand are completely dialed in and aligned. This shows up with how you live and it matches who you're capable of being. And once you experience this frequency, this level, you leave everything that was holding you back in the rearview mirror. Here we find happiness in the pursuit instead of pursuing happiness. But the hard truth is most people never get here. Instead, they stay stuck. They feel like they're meant for more every day. But that tension is really hard because they know that who they are is not how they're consistently showing up. They know they're capable of more, but nothing in their habits and daily actions reflect it. So they're gonna continue to second guess. They start and they stop again, and they overthink every single move. Slowly, they start losing trust in themselves. And if you already have a business and you're a little further along, it can be even more frustrating because now you know you're good at what you do and you've built something tangible, something real, but your brand still doesn't match your level. So you continue to try to sound credible, over-explain, and seem needy. You attract the wrong people, and you keep fixing these surface level things that aren't really moving the needle. And deep down, you know something's just off. Now that disconnect that you could be feeling, that's a real issue, because the longer you stay in that space and sit with it, the more time you waste and the more money that you could be leaving on the table. And the further you drift from the life and the version of you that you actually want. See, I know this because I've actually lived it. Until everything changed for me, I was really chasing outcomes and wasn't sitting in a space in alignment. Once I started building from a place of alignment and became the most magnetic version of myself and a leader of my business, everything shifted. So how do we actually fix this? We fix it through brand architecture, and it happens in 3 phases. Phase 1 is identity architecture. This is where everything shifts. We install your VelocityCore OS, a complete operating system, and we build your VelocityCore Flywheel and give you the blueprint to create a flywheel that builds consistent energy and lead flow for you. So that you're no longer second guessing. You actually have a system that drives momentum and consistent clarity. This is where you start to operate at a higher level. In phase 2, we go into creative positioning. So once your identity is clear and we've built that foundation for you, now we position it. We take your thinking, your best thoughts, your best voice, your identity, we take your flywheel blueprint, and we translate it into a clear positioning for you so that your message, your voice consistently lands and your content connects with your dream clients, and those dream clients instantly understand your values and what you can bring to the table. In phase 3, we work on brand amplification. Now in phase 3, everything aligns. Inside what we call our magnetic brand identity program, we take everything that you've built and become and install it into your magnetic brand. We package your positioning, we package your messaging, we packaging your voice and your visuals and your offers all into one consistent representation so that your brand stops being the bottleneck and becomes the amplifier. It attracts the right dream clients and it filters out the wrong ones you're not meant to work with. Your brand does the heavy lifting now for you, even when you're not in the room representing it. That's brand architecture. It's internal alignment and external positioning all put together for scalable amplification. Now, you might be thinking, yeah, Chris, I don't have enough of this figured out yet. Or I already have a personal brand. I'm fine the way that I am. Or maybe I'll just figure this out on my own. Or maybe I don't have the money for this right now. But here's the truth. If you don't have clarity in who you are and what you are trying to build, your brand will always feel off. And if your brand feels off, it's always gonna limit your growth and your potential. And personal branding is cool, but it's not the same as brand architecture. Personal branding is posting content, which is great. But brand architecture is actually building a full system grounded in your true identity and next level vision. And for those of you thinking that you'll figure it out on your own, that's exactly why most people can stay stuck for not months, but years. Because on your own, you're gonna continue to second guess, you're gonna continue to overthink, and you're continuing to not know what the next best move even is. And if you're thinking, I don't have the money right now, let me ask you, what is it going to cost you to stay exactly where you are? I'll give you some hints. It could be costing you missed clients, it could be costing you underpricing, undervaluing yourself, and it'd be costing you the most valuable thing we have, which is time. You could be wasting time. Staying stuck is already actually really expensive. And this isn't about changing who you are. It's about uncovering who you have always been and building from that. We don't try to perform. We don't try to pretend to be anybody else than ourselves. We just align to our true, authentic identity. So if you're watching this right now and you're realizing your brand hasn't caught up to the level you're operating at yet, or if you feel that disconnect between who you are and how you're showing up, here's what I've built for you. I've built a system called brand architecture, where we work together to close the gap and help you install the identity, the creative positioning, and the magnetic brand required for your next level. Now, depending on where you're at, there are a couple different ways that we can do this. For some of you, you need to start with identity, clarity, direction. That's where VelocityCore comes into play. For others, you already have the identity, the experience, and you actually have a good business. But now your brand hasn't caught up yet to the level that you're operating at as a leader for your business. That's where magnetic brand identity comes in. Either way, the goal is the same: to rediscover the true version of yourself and build a magnetic brand backed by that foundation. So instead of trying to figure this out on your own or continuing to guess your way through it, I've made the next step very simple. Listen, you can keep doing doing exactly what you're doing. You can keep garnishing a lot of likes and looking good on the surface, but not landing dream clients. And you can keep trying to piece this together DIY, or you can actually draw a line in the sand right now and fix this. Because the truth is, time is not going to fix this, and it's surely not going to fix itself. So if you're serious about stepping into your next level and you're ready to take action and lock in, click the link below, reach out and let me know that you're interested. Fill out this short application and we'll map out exactly what this looks like for you and how we can build together. If it makes sense, we move forward. If not, at least you'll know the next best step towards your next level.